Welcome to the 12th lesson in this course. In this lesson we are going to connect a image gallery inside our second layout which we connected on our previous lesson. In the previous lesson we saw how can we choose from a different layouts for our CMS single page, and in the meantime I have connected these social share buttons, tags, this rich text here and the related articles, since this is everything we saw in the previous lessons. In this video we're going to enable this image gallery here. If I select it, you can see that this structure has been made with a swiper plugin. And this swiper slide div has been looped 3 times. Since we want to make everything dynamic, we're going to remove looping from here, and we can immediately go inside our collections and open a settings of our blog collection, and we can add a new field. For this, we need a simple media field. So let's call it image gallery. Hit confirm. Here we can hit confirm immediately, and we can hit finish editing. Now let's select this item, for example. If I scroll down, you can see our new field which we created, and this time let's input multiple images. So we can select this one here, and these two, and as you can see we have selected 5 images, so we can hit use button here and we can immediately finish editing, and we can close our collections. Now we can select our image here, and as you remember before, this swiper slide div has been looped 3 times, so we're going to select it. We're going inside advanced option, and we are again going to use a iterable since we want to go through multiple items. So let's open this variable pop-up, open page drop-down, data drop-down, and here we need to find image gallery. So here it is, we can open it, and this time, since we are working with multiple images inside our media field, we need to select files. Before we selected files since we only needed 1 image. So now let's hit the save button. And here into the value we can input something like gallery. Now we can select our image tag, go to the settings, open the variables pop-up, click on our gallery variable here, hit the save button, and you will see that all the images will pull data from our media field. And now we can go into the preview mode to test everything out. And as you can see, if you scroll down and use this swiper, all the images that we selected will be set up in this slider. We slowly came to the end of our 12th lesson. We saw how can we make our swiper to pull data dynamically from our collection. That will be everything for this lesson, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.